Good afternoon to you all. म चाहिँ यता रङ लिङ्कमा छिरेछु या पुरानो लिङ्कमा छिरेछु हैन ढिलो भयो सरी फर द्याट anyways so as as we said in the previous class that we're going to start a new topic today and algebra भनेको थिएँ and we'll start algebra today as हामी algebra start गर्छौं अनि we already know so many things about algebra है हाम्रो धेरै कुरा हामीले 5 6 7 मै मजाले पढिसकेका छौं even before that है हामी त्यही कुरालाई गर्दै गर्दै आइरा छौं from addition to subtraction multiplication and division यो चारवटा कुराहरुमा हामी रिभल्भ हुने हो है त्यही कुरालाई हामीले चाहिँ फेरि अगेन एन्ड अगेन डिफरेन्ट फर्ममा गरिराख्छौं so let us just quickly let's say revise भनौं के हुन्छ एल्जेब्रामा एल्जेब्रा भनेको के हो भनेर अल्दो हामीलाई थाहा छ त्यही पनि लेट्स जस्ट गो थ्रु इट लेट मी करुण भुजेल
Yes, sir.
करुण were you absent in the previous class?
Yes, sir. Sir, my internet was not working.
Okay. All right. Ausanji, what happened? Ausanji is having fun. Okay. So I will share a screen. So let's go. Hey, let's go. Banane फेरि बाहिर जानु होला. Let's start. यो start गरौँ. Algebra बाट हामी start गर्छौं. Quickly हामी है. Just we'll run through it quickly. कसैलाई नोट टेक डाउन गर्नु मन छ भने you can do it, but you have to make it fast. Okay. So what is algebra? Algebra भनेको के रहेछ है? Algebra is nothing but branch of the mathematics that represents the unknown values with letters. Right? Unknown values चाहिँ हामीले लेटर रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छौं म्याथमेटिक्स सेक्टरमा अनि बीजगणित भनिन्छ यो कुरा मैले तपाईहरुलाई 6 र 7 क्लासमा पनि भनिसकेको छु तपाईहरुलाई याद होला. Right? So algebra is a branch of mathematics that represents the unknown values with letters. Variables जसलाई variable भनिन्छ in order to find it. Unknown value लाई चाहिँ find गर्न पत्ता लगाउनलाई चाहिँ variable युज गर्छ algebra मा है. So algebra मा mainly हामी दुईटा टर्म्सहरु चाहिँ पढ्छौं. First term is constant है. Algebra मा we study about two terms. We revolve around, we just do things around with two terms. First term is a constant. It's called constant. So constant भनेको के रहेछ त? Those terms whose values do not change are called constants. जसको value change हुँदैन त्यसलाई भनिन्छ constant. Example, all the numbers, सबै नम्बर चाहिँ constant हो because 1 is always 1, 2 can never be 3, 4 is always 4, 0 is always 0, it cannot be changed. Okay? Sneha Bosnet? Sneha?
Yes,
unmute
sir.
गर्नुस् त mic Sneha ji. Sneha, how many fingers do you have in your right hand?
5.
Can you change that to 4?
No.
Can you change that to 6 though?
No, sir.
No, that means the fingers in my right hand, in your right hand is always 5, right? That is a constant. Change नै हुँदैन. Okay? The value does not change. 5 वटा थियो 5 वटै रहन्छ 5 वटै हुनेछ. That is called constant. Okay? Variable, अर्को term छ variable. Okay? Variable. Okay? All the terms whose value is changed. Okay? जसको value चाहिँ change हुन्छ है त्यस्तो termsहरु जसको value change हुन्छ. There is no fixed value. कुनै पनि कुरा त्यसको चाहिँ fixed value नै छैन के change भइराख्छ. The variables are represented using the small letters of English alphabet. Hey, English alphabet मा हुने small letter चाहिँ use गरेर चाहिँ यो variable हरुलाई हामीले represent गर्छौं. A देखि Z सम्म जुनै पनि use गर्न पाइयो. प्राय जसो हामी X use गर्छौं. चलिआएको चलन. Example छ your age. आबुसनजी.
Yes, sir.
आबुसनजी को साइड टकिङ को बानी नजाने भयो है अनलाइन क्लासमा पनि.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, Abusanji, how old are you?
Sir, 12.
12. How old were you 1 year ago?
11.
How old will you be 1 year after? After 1 year? 13. See, your age is changing, right? तपाईको एज कन्स्ट्यान्ट छ त म आज 12 वर्षको छु म 10 वर्षपछि नि 12 वर्षकै रहन्छु. Can you say that?
No, sir.
No, that means your age is changing. So thank you, Abusanji. So such values whose terms whose values are changed are called variables. Population of our country is changed every day. Okay? Just census yearly, annually भए पनि every day change भइरा हुन्छ है. Such values are called variables. अनि यो variable लाई चाहिँ हामी के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छौं त? Small letter of the English alphabet. Okay? So algebraic expression भनेको के रहेछ त? What are algebraic expressions exactly are. Okay, so a mathematical statement expressed in terms of four fundamental operations. Yeah, four fundamental operations भनेर term use भएको छ. Can I please talk to Mr. Rohan Vandari? Rohan Vandari, can I please talk to you? Okay, Rohan, there is a term used says four fundamental operations. What do you mean by four fundamental operations?
For fundamental operations.
Excuse me?
Sir, what did you say?
There is a term used for fundamental operations. So the definition ma four fundamental operations bhaneko cha. Four fundamental operations भन्नाले के बुझ्छौं हामी? What do we understand?
त्यो कसरी गर्ने हो त्यो सर?
Confused? ठीक छ, it's okay. It's okay, Ron. नयाँ टपिक नयाँ टर्म हो, भन्दा पुरानै हो, but like हामी धेरै युज गर्दैनौं के. थाहा चाहिँ छ हामीलाई. It's a pretty simple thing है. Price Kaji, can I please ask you the same question?
Yes, sir.
So what does four fundamental operation mean?
I think that using various types of terms.
Okay. All right. Nice try. Gaurav Babu le bhन्छ कि जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई. के होला four fundamental operations? What do you mean by four fundamental operations? Confusion छ भने it's okay. You can be confused. है. Confusion छ भने सर confused भन्दा हुन्छ. केही फरक पर्दैन. Confused. Okay. Kajal ji, can I please ask you the same question? Confused ho? Hazur pani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Kavya ji, pani confused ho?
Sir, I'm also confused.
Okay, so it's a अब तपाईहरुलाई मैले भनेपछि ए यो पो रहेछ भने जस्तो हुन्छ क्या. So four fundamental operations भनेको it's multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. चारवटा अपरेसन गर्छौं नि हामी हैन म्याथमेटिक्स मा. Multiply, add, subtract and divide. These four operations are called four fundamental operations. है यो चारवटा अपरेसनलाई चाहिँ चारवटा अपरेसनहरुको कम्बिनेसनमा चाहिँ हामीले कुनै पनि म्याथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेसन्सलाई चाहिँ स्टेटमेन्टलाई चाहिँ in the four fundamental operations of variable use गरेर चाहिँ हामी एक्सप्रेस गर्छौं भने such expressions are called algebraic expressions. ठीक छ, एक्जाम्पल हेर्नुस् त तल 7 times x is expressed as 7x. 7 times x भनेको चाहिँ स्टेटमेन्ट भयो. त्यसलाई नै हामीले 7x लेख्यौं भने चाहिँ के त्यो चाहिँ के भयो त अब algebraic expression. Okay, now sum of 2 and product of 3 and x. Okay, sum of 2 and product of 3 and x is expressed as 3x plus 2. 2 र 3 र x को प्रोडक्ट चाहिँ जोड्ने भनेको यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ. एक्जाम्पलको लागि दिएको छ है. Such expressions are called algebraic expressions. Okay, नोट गर्नुपर्छ, टाइम दिए नोट गर्नुपर्छ भने अल द हामीले यो कुरा पढिसकेका छौं. हामीलाई प्र्याक्टिकली पुरै याद छ, हामीले थ्योरिटिकली याद छैन हामीलाई के, किनभने हामीले थ्योरिटिकली अलिकति हामी कमै पढ्छौं नि त घरमा हैन, यसो एनालाइज गर्दैनौं. ठीक छ, एनीवेज टाइप्स अफ algebraic expressions यो मैले सरर भन्छु मात्रै, यसमा मैले धेरै टाइम वेस्ट गर्दिन बिकज यो हामीले धेरै पहिले पढिसकेको कुरा हो. बेसिकली हामी चाहिँ चारवटा टाइपमा चाहिँ हामी डिभाइड गर्छौं. मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल, पोलिनोमियल. ओके, मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल, पोलिनोमियल. सो मोनोमियल भने के रहेछ? एउटा मात्र टर्म भएको. There is only one term. Okay, and algebraic expressions having only one term are called monomial. अब एक्जाम्पलमा हेर्नुस् 7x छ एउटा, 2xy छ एउटा, 15abc छ. अब तपाईले भन्नु होला सर त्यहाँ त abc तीनटा छ अनि 15 पनि छ, चारवटा टर्म छ त कसरी मोनोमियल भयो भन्नु होला है. So what you need to understand is in algebra multiplication र डिभिजन मा चाहिँ हामी जति रसुकै टर्म्स होस् त्यसलाई हामी सिंगल टर्म कन्सिडर गर्छौं है. प्लस र माइनसले चाहिँ त्यसलाई सेपरेट गराउँछ. मल्टिप्लाई र डिभिजनले चाहिँ यसलाई सेपरेट गराउँदैन. इट गिव्स अ सिंगल रिजल्ट. ओके, त्यही भएर हामीले सिंगल टर्ममा हामी काउन्ट गर्छौं. ओके, अलराइट. नाउ बाइनोमियल. ओके, बाइनोमियलमा हेर्नुस् त एन algebraic expressions having only two terms. If there was only one term it would be called monomial expression. Okay, so since a binomial machine, binomial, there must be two terms. If there are two terms, exactly two terms, they are called binomials. Example, 2a plus b, xy plus 3ab, and etc. Okay, trinomial having 3 terms, expressions having 3 terms. Example, as you can see on the screen. Okay, example 2a plus b plus 3c, x minus y plus z, and etc. And finally comes polynomial expressions. Polynomial expressions means such expressions, algebraic expressions having 4 or more than 4 terms. Okay, 4 or more than 4 terms. If there are 6 terms, it is also called polynomial. Considered polynomial. Okay. Example, as you can see on the screen, 2xy minus 4yz plus 7xz plus 5, and etc. So now we have to be familiar with the terms coefficients, base, and power. Okay, what does coefficient mean? What is a base and what is power? 3 terms mainly. So example, as you can see on the screen, there is an algebraic term 5y cubed. Okay, 5y cubed. So base is simply the variable. Okay, jun variable saw, that is a base. The variable used is a base, and the number which multiplies the variable is called coefficients. The constant that multiplies the variable is called coefficients. In our case, 5 is the coefficient. And obviously the index of the base, index is in power, index of the base, which is 3, it's called power. Okay, यसमा भएको इन्डेक्सलाई पावर भनिन्छ. Now if we have to consider coefficients, there are 2 types of coefficients. Okay, coefficients पनि 2 टाइपको छ. There are 2 types of coefficients, as you can see on the screen. One is called numeral coefficients and another one is called literal coefficients. Okay, so the letter, if the coefficient is a letter, it is called literal coefficients, and if the coefficient is a number, it is called numeral coefficients. All right, since we considered b as a base, a is a literal coefficients because we have considered b as a base. Okay, and 3 is also coefficients, which is a numeral coefficient. All right, okay, so this is the new topic you have to study in this class, called degree of polynomials. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial, GCQs, whatever is the expression, what is the degree? What degree actually stands for? So we have to discuss this one in detail. So the highest power of a term in a polynomial is called its degree. Okay, the power is called its degree, and the power is such a power which is the highest one. The highest power is called degree. Example, as you can see on the screen. So the first term we have used is 3y to the power 7. Here the power, the index of y is 7, the variable, it is a monomial. So the degree is also 7. The degree is also 7. But in the other case, we have trinomial. We have trinomial here. 2x cubed y4, 7x5 y minus 2xy. There are 3 terms. In such case, we will evaluate the power of each term. Okay, we have to evaluate the power of each term. There are 3 terms in total. 2x cubed y4, 1 term. 7x5y, second term, and the third one is 2xy. Okay, since each term contains 2 variables, or 2 or more than 2, we have to add the power of those variables in order to get the degree. Doesn't matter if they are like or unlike. X or y छ भने पनि power add गरेर हामी degree. So in the term 2x cubed y4, the power is 7. In total, the power is 7 because x has 3, y has 4. Remember, the constant ko power add hunna hai. The power of the constant is not matter, is not valued. Okay, so x to the power is 3, y to the power is 4. If we add 3 and 4, the degree, the whole power, total power is 7. In the second term, the power of x is 5, the power of y is 1. If we add them together, it gives us 6. While in the third term, power of x is 1, power of y is 1. If we add them together, the total power is given 2. So we have 2, 6, and 7. Comparing, obviously 7 is the highest one. So the degree of this trinomial is 7 because the highest power is 7. Hence, the degree is 7. So note pani heर्नुस्, you can see the note as well. Okay, the note pani छ. let's just discuss a bit about the degree of the algebraic expressions. Okay, if you are finished, can I please drop this one? Can I please action kolagi? I'll just skip from this. Okay, I'll share a wide screen. I'd like to talk to Mr. I would like to talk to Mr. Anushka. Yes, Anushji. Anushji,
Yes,
can
sir.
I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Anushji, I'm gonna write an expression here, and you have to tell me what is the degree. Okay, 5xyz. Can you please tell me the degree of this expression here?
5xyz.
Yes, what is the degree of this monomial? This is a monomial, right? Single term means monomial. What is the degree of this monomial?
3.
3. Very good. The power of x is 1, power of y is 1, power of z is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. Hence, the degree of this polynomial or this monomial is 1. It's a 3. Okay. So I'm gonna share a screen. Okay, Susan G, can I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Susan G.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in time line. Just
Yes,
wait a
sir.
minute, all right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, gosh, sorry, just wait a minute, okay? So I'll give you an expression, Susan G, okay? 2
Okay, sir.
2x square minus 3x plus 1. So it is a trinomial. Can you
Yes, sir.
see properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what would be the degree of this trinomial? Can you please tell me?
Okay, sir. Its degrees 3, sir.
3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3. So why do we think the degree of this trinomial is 3?
Because only the 2-digit carry the algebraic expression, sir. 2x square and 3x.
Okay. All right. I will come back to you. Let me come to Yojana Thapa. Yojana Thapa also like that. So she is feeling lazy. Yojana ji,
Yes, sir.
shall I bring you some lemon?
No.
Anyways, okay. Do you agree with the answer of Mr. Susanji?
Sir, I did not understand it.
Okay, you did not understand at all. Okay, very good. Ticks occasion, it's okay. Now, okay, let me explain it again. Okay, सबैले अगाडि सबैले ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुहोस्. Just look at the screen properly. सबैले हेर्नुहोस्. फेरि I will explain again. You need to understand. यो बुझ्नु जरुरी छ. Okay, you have to understand this one. Okay, so the degree भनेको चाहिँ highest power. Highest power, okay? Highest power कति छ? Monomial छ भने त obviously हामीले easily हामीले calculate गर्न सक्छौं. We can easily calculate the power. But in case of binomial or trinomial, हामी compare गर्छौं. We just compare the each term. प्रत्येक टर्मको पावरलाई हामी compare गर्छौं as in total. Okay, यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा मात्र variable छ. There is only one variable. Sometimes there are multiple variables. Okay, जस्तै first case मा 3xyz थियो and 5xyz and the degree was added. Okay, now hey, first term is 2x square. Yojana ji, I would like to talk to you. Please unmute yourself. Yojana ji, what is the power of the variable in here?
2.
2. Okay. In the first term, the power is 2. In the second term, what is the power of the variable?
1.
1. And in the last term, what is the power of the variable?
0.
0. So compare them. 1, 0, 2. Which one is the highest power?
2.
2. That means our degree is 2.
2.
See, we have defined the term degree as the highest power of a polynomial. Highest power. In our case, the highest power is 2. That means the degree of this polynomial is 2. Okay? Okay, something hit your mind? Okay, anyways. अर्को कुरा हेरौं अरु पनि हेर्छौं हामी which will make it clearer, more clear. Let me talk to Mr. Abushan Basne.
Yes, sir.
Abushan ji, I will just wait a minute. Okay, I will just write a question here. An expression square. Let's z 3xyz. Okay, can you see the expression clearly? Okay, so can you please tell me what would be the wait. Okay, what would be the power? What would be the degree of this expression? Can you please tell me? Abushanji, are you there? Can you please tell me what would be the power? Or like, do I need to explain?
8.
Excuse me?
8.
8?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think the degree of this polynomial is 8?
Sir, because there is Z,
Mhm.
sir, Z's power is 4 and
4, good.
Y
2.
power is 2, X also 2. That's
Mhm.
why I add them.
Okay, so remember, Abu Sanjay, the powers are added only if in multiplication. Only if in multiplication. But are these, you said Z, X, and Y, are they in multiplication?
No, sir.
No, that means rather than adding their powers up, we just compare their powers individually because they are individual terms. Right? X square is an individual term, Y square is an individual term, Z to the power 4 is an individual term, and minus 3xyz is an individual term. Okay? All right?
Sir.
So we compare. What is the power of X?
Sir,
What is the power of X? The first term?
2.
2. Very good. What is the power of second term? 2. Very good. What is the power of third term?
4.
What is the power of fourth term?
3.
3. Now we can add because X, Y, and Z are in multiplication. If we add their power, 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. See, so we have 4 powers so far. 2, 2, 4, and 3. So which one is the highest among them? The biggest one among them?
Sir, 4.
4. That means what is the degree of this expression?
4.
4. Is it clearer now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Abusanji. Thank you very much. Last discuss garam. Let's just discuss the last term. I'd like to talk to Mr. Karun Buzial for this one. Karunji.
Yes,
Okay, Karunji, I'll just write an expression for you, okay? Just hold it up for me. Okay, a to the power square minus 2ab plus 3abc square minus 4b to the power 5. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me, Karunji, what would be the degree of this polynomial? Let's say polynomial. Compare garnus. Just compare the powers of individual terms. There are 4 terms. Compare the power of 4 terms to each other.
sir, 6.
6. Okay. Why do you think the degree is 6?
Sir, because in 3a plus 3a b c
Square.
square
Yeah.
3, 4, guys.
Okay,
Square
Karunji, let us just discuss each other, okay? Discuss Garam Tapai. So let us compare. And if we just start from the first term, what is the first term do we have?
a square
What is the power?
square 2
2. Good. In the second term, 2ab. What is the power?
2
2. Good. In the third term, 3abc square. What is the power? Karunji, are you there? Hello? Karunji, are you there? Hello? Okay, we'll just discuss this one with okay, Dilasaji. Dilasaji.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the power.
Sir, 5.
5. Why do you think it is 5?
Sir, because it is the highest power among
All the terms. Oh, sabai terms. If we compare all the terms together, then the highest power is 5. That's why the degree of this polynomial is 5. Okay. I think everyone is clear about this one. So let us move forward. Hey, let us move forward. Another topic. Evaluation of algebraic expression. I don't think that I need to explain this to you anymore because we have been doing this from class 5 in every year and we do this again and again and again. I think you are very much familiar with this one. All we do here is we are given some values of the variable. In example, see, you can see x is 3, y is 2, and z is 1. And we just calculate the value of the algebraic expression. See, in example, 2xyz, 2xyz. In the place of x, we have put 3 because the value of x is 3. in the place of y 2, and in the place of z 1, and then we calculate the value, right? This is the very simplest thing we have done so far in algebra, and I don't think I need to explain this to you again, right? Let's move forward. So addition and subtraction, okay? Addition and subtraction, this will be the last topic that we discuss today. In next class we'll again discuss this, although in the next class we'll discuss this again. Let's just quickly go. So Kabyaji, I need you to please read this out loud so that everyone can hear loud and clear, okay?
In order for the algebraic terms to able to added or subtracted to one another, the base and the powers must be same.
Hey, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Kabyaji. Okay, somebody just, I hope you understood. It is written in simple English. In order for any two or more algebraic terms to be added or to be subtracted, okay? Not multiplication and division, okay? This doesn't happen in multiplication and division. So we're just talking about addition and subtraction. In order for them to be added, to be able to be added to or be subtracted, they must be like terms. Like terms as in the base and the powers must be same. If there is a, then there must also be a. If there is a square, the another term must also be a square. Okay, example, as you can see. Example, 2ab and 2a square b cannot be added or subtracted because although the bases are same, because in the first term the bases are ab, in the second term the bases are also ab. Bases are same, but are the powers of a same there? No, because in the first term the power of a is 1, in the second term the power of a is 2. So not the if only the bases are same, that is not enough for them to be able to add or subtract it. The powers also must be same. Okay, we have done this so many times previously. However, the terms 2xy cube and 5xy cube can be added or subtracted. The bases are same, xy, xy, and the power of y is also same, y cube, x to the power 1 same, sir, x to the power 1, x to the power 1. So hence they are added or subtracted. Okay, now regarding this addition or subtraction, my example dina, I'm not giving an example because we have done it so many times already. Let's just say let's just see how much you remember. I have given you an assignment under the topic CW10.1. You'll have to do it, and this is your assignment. You got it. I will be checking your assignment, and we will discuss this further in next class. Okay, all right. It is under the topic CW10.1. Okay, so I will do it, and thank you for staying with us. Have a good day. I have today's class was fruitful, and we'll discuss this furthermore. Okay, thank you everyone.